y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new or it's your first time seeing my face, hello, I'm ArieNickole. Do me a favor and follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on anything that I upload. Today's video is about these two styling me for back to school, because I'm trying to get my wardrobe together.
Yes, the best stylist out here. Excited.
Anyways, Essence and this is Amani. Their Instagrams will be on the screen and it will be in the description box below. Anything y'all want to say, stylist?
We gonna get her right in this one period. You know, teamwork
from
make the
head
dream
to
work.
toe. I'm talking about hairstyle, shades, bracelets,
Man,
purses,
God.
everything.
Okay.
For you, I get my money, don't care about money. I love what you baby, I love what you baby. I don't care about money, don't care about money.
You have two right here. Look.
Alright, y'all. So
Oh yeah.
they discussing what outfits they
Right in the
finna
front.
give me and what.
I wanna say that the one.
Alright, y'all. So they discussing what outfits they finna give me in order. So while I'm trying on the clothes, they gonna be describing it to y'all and talking to y'all, whatever. So these not the ones y'all put with the stuff.
You don't
I was
know what
watching
to put
y'all.
with it.
I was watching y'all.
Get out.
Money, you gonna let her talk to you like that?
That's cute.
It's the truth.
Okay, so all our outfits we did it like 5. We did a little chill. Oh, sorry, 5. Really? Okay, start over.
Okay, so all the outfits is like
order.
5. Okay, like basic 5, but they really nice. Like even the basic ones is really popping, and we did it together. So you can't tell us we're not the best stylists out here.
Right. Okay, so the outfit you put on now is like a crop top shirt, a flowy crop top shirt like I got on.
With some green ripped jeans and like some simple sandals, but they still fine.
Right, and then we got the shades with them to match the shirt. But also bring in the shoes. And it's just really cute. And we feel like, I think,
Yeah, I think she should do a braid out with that.
yeah, it'll be real cute.
Cause her braid out's really nice, especially with the blonde. Like the blonde looks so good on her.
Yeah,
But you know, we can't tell her that because then she starts feeling herself too much.
and her hair already big. Ain't baby, no baby.
Did you see the listening post on Instagram? Oh yeah.
Right?
I love the way them jeans is
Oh,
fitting.
they can't even see me.
What you gonna spin around and shit?
Yeah.
So what category this fit in? Simple.
No.
What this is?
Hard and full.
Hard. It's okay.
You have to lick hard a lot. It's really good.
What's this?
And you want to need an ankle bracelet. Okay, so this next outfit, it's like a chill, but it's cute though. Like it's really cute. Like we could not leave that shirt out.
Yeah. And we got the little shades just as a design.
Hold on, she missing part of her outfit. Technical difficulties right now. Excuse me.
Y'all, it's just one outfit that I was really feeling, but Amani wasn't feeling it. And I was still trying it on because I said so.
Wait till y'all see y'all be like, yeah, money got style and she don't.
Nah, because it's really cute.
It's really not yours.
It really is.
Anyways.
Don't be unprofessional around
This,
here.
yeah, that's
Whatever.
Can you
Anyways.
stand right here first so we can see the
Like y'all didn't style it.
But we still got to see. Just because we saw it, doesn't mean it will look like.
I feel like they should see it first, but okay.
That is really cute.
I like that with the little black trim and shoe too and black shirt.
Yeah. Okay, now come to the side so they can see it. And braid your hair just like that with that.
Okay. So, alright, so I didn't do this for the last outfit, but I got the top and the bottom from Route 21, them shoes. I don't know, but this top came from Route 21. These pants came from Ross, and I got these pants from the Van store.
The glasses.
This watch came from Bells, that little $5 store in Cumberland that we have on tour.
They always have sales, y'all.
It's not even that, but because it was all $5. Besides the purses and stuff, everything's $5 or less. And then these glasses came from Rue 21. So. Okay, the next outfit is this gray.
I mean, text her for real.
Actually, he did. I was talking about those things. But, and I don't have a man. Anyway, so the next outfit is this gray crop top shirt. It got a little blue and red in it. Accent. So, you know, we have to pull the blue and red out.
Right.
With some blue and red shoes. Right? So then we put the shades on. And we feel like she should have
a half up, half down. That's so cute on her.
Yeah.
This a fit. Glasses came from Shein, shirt from Shein, pants from Ross, and shoes.
I'm busy.
From Champ. So yeah.
Okay, so this next outfit is like, it's like these snakeskin print biker shorts with like a plain black crop top. It's cute though, like, but it's on the chill side more like. And just some slides with it and a nice little watch.
Something simple and comfortable.
Right. Yeah, slick back into like with a little bit of messy pieces on it. Yeah. So a slick back ponytail with like a little bit of messy pieces and her edges done real nice.
Okay, so sandals. I actually remember now. Rainbow.
I figured you got them from there. Because I got them from there too.
Rainbow. These biker shorts from Shein. And the top, I really don't know. I think I took it from my cousin. And this watch from Bea. That's the name. Girl, I said Bells. I said Bells. Okay. But yeah, this the fit.
This next outfit is real cute. It's some new shoes. They got like yellow and pink, I think. And then it's the yellow skirt with a black shirt. And then we pictured it with like an oversized jacket, but we don't like the oversized jacket, so you know, picture it. And then we got the watch and some shades.
Alright, so this what they got for me.
Just out like out.
Alright. So I got these shoes from Hibbett Sports. I really don't know what they call because I'm not a shoe person. And then I got this skirt from Forever 21, this top from Fashion Nova, and the same watch from Bea.
So what kind of hairstyle from?
We're gonna do a half up, half down, but this one gonna be with a bun.
Okay. And then don't forget the oversized jean jacket that goes with this. We just don't got it right now.
Yeah. This one is like really chill. It's just like a regular shirt and some biker shorts.
The regular shirt.
Yeah, and some biker shorts and some like yellow veins. But it's still cute though because you know like my friend's pretty, so whatever she puts on is cute.
That's the basic one.
Alright, so the shirt from Bargain Hunt, the biker shorts from Essence Closet, and the Vans from the Van store, I think.
Yeah, you did get from the Van store.
These ones I got with you?
That's the ones, but you told me you got them from the Van store.
Okay.
And for this hairstyle, she's gonna do like a top bun, but it's gonna be cute, like a messy one. Like a top knot probably or something. With like some messy strings. It's like a basic outfit. She just cut us off for sick, cute, and pretty period.
But the outfit with the like white champion shirt, you know, the champion words, blue letters, red in it. So we had to bring out the red and blue again with the felines.
Yeah. Because them shoes are just so versatile. Like.
Right. And then since the shirt was so plain, you know, we got to get some rip rips. So we got some rip rips.
And then the jeans gonna fit her nice and stuff, so.
Yeah. And we got the red shades again.
Anyways. I got the glasses from Shein.
Pause. Bring down a notch.
Pause. We don't know what hairstyle, but definitely not no ponytail.
Yeah,
her
we're
hair
not
need
putting
to be
down.
down.
It gotta be done. That's how I was saying, like, you know how she do her wash and goes and it be looking good, like when she had put the extreme gel in that time.
Oh yeah.
And it looked really cute.
Do that.
So not fluffy.
No.
No.
Face too fat for that.
We wouldn't tell you it would look good if we thought it was ugly.
Thank you.
Okay. I got the top from Ross, these pants from Burlington, and these felines from whatever store I went to.
This next outfit is like an oversized shirt / dress. And so she's really a midget, so we're gonna tie it a little bit to kind of give it a twist and kind of like throw it off the shoulder, I guess, and roll the sleeves because it's not looking good.
Alright, y'all, so these glasses, I forgot.
I don't know if there's no doubt that you don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if she said anything. Vans, regular Vans. I'm gonna give me some new ones because it's busted and crusted and whatever. And then it's just from Shein. So they rolled up the sleeves and stuff and put this knot, and I'm glad they did that because
Y'all should have seen it before.
not even that, but like when I tried it on, I was like, Grandma,
You want it?
should I return it? Like, I was like, what do you think of this? Because I didn't know what to. Right, because I didn't know what to do.
We
But
saw it as a like your neck first.
Now this next outfit is our baggy. So you know we got the yellow and black shirt, but you know the good old Pumas. I forgot what they call, but the Pumas. They yellow, black, red,
Orange,
gray.
blue, green, all the colors. They so cute.
So you know we got the yellow and black shirt to bring out the little bit of yellow in the shoe because it's only a little bit of yellow in the shoe. Then we got some black jeans, but they ash yellow to bring out the gray in the shoes. And we got some blue shades for the blue in the shoe.
anyways, glasses from Shein. They still got the film on them because I ain't never wear them. Shirt from.
Yeah, I just realized it afterwards.
Okay, cool.
Shirt from Pretty Little Thing
Little thing.
with the tag. Oh.
Shirt from Pretty Little Thing.
Yeah, pants. These some Walmart pants. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. And then, and then these Pumas. Alright, y'all. So these my stylists for the school year, and I don't care. Yeah.
We ain't agreed to all that.
Nah, they is.
Awesome.
Nah, they my stylists for the school year. You know. What you say?
I said up the smart. Continue.
Anyways, I'm my stylist for the year. And yeah.
Maybe one we got every month.
Yeah. We gotta take turns.
They really
Right,
acting.
because somebody needs to
Help me.
too.
No, they need to really
Somebody
help me.
gotta
I
style
know
you.
I dress
No,
like every day.
me and Amani got a style essence girly side.
Yeah.
Let me know if we should do a video on that. Styling my friends, like
You gotta style
transforming
me too,
them.
because I don't never get cute ever. I throw a hoodie in. Essence.
I think I'll be,
Let's be realistic.
I think I'll be more girly than Amani do.
Yeah, I always got on hoodies and
You do, but
But
thank y'all for being in the video and styling me because this will be a whole different video, okay? And like I said, they Instagram names will be in the description box below. Yo, thank y'all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and add me on the Snapchat. Sarah said it. Anyways, we out this one.
I'm falling for you, for you.